Shit. Talk straight, bro. Talk straight. Damn.
Hell wrong, this nigga got COVID-19, don't it? Chat! What the fuck wrong with this nigga? Watch.
Oh, it's just allergies.
This nigga sick as fuck, yo.
Shit.
You good, bro?
Where's your allergy, bro? Come on, bro.
Nigga talking about allergies. I said that shit, chat.
Chat, that's your allergies.